You call it controversy? Did you see that video? I am sorry, guys. There is something called blowing it out of proportions, and that's what you did. But again, I would just like to thank you all for giving us free publicity, because I haven't hired a PR for myself, and I just believe that you guys have done me numbers, and thank you. Kudos to you guys for doing that.
Ma'am, your show on YouTube is doing very well. People love your character as Ishan Mark. People loving you so much.
Okay, later on.
रुक लेता हूँ वेट
सेंटर अरे रोक तो कर दे वेट में बेटा लोग वही एकदम
Hi, what's up?
चलो पहले तो आपका जो ब्यूटीफुल आउटफिट है स्टाइलिश शाम है स्टाइलिश है और आप उसके बारे में जरा बताइए बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है
So HT Style Awards is something I was really looking forward to. So मैं अपना style बहुत gothic रखना चाहती थी इस बार, because I'm very moved by these emo hairstyles and emo looks and gothic hairstyles and the looks, of course. So this time I tried to go all black and gothic, so that was the minimalistic I could keep.
क्या हमारे ये वो सब रीज़न है जो कि आपको अगेन एंड अगेन एशिया में आपका नाम आता है
I have no idea about this. All I know is that my fashion is all about experiments, and more or less I don't know how well does it go with everybody. But then this is it, you know. This is my personal styling. This is my personal styling. So everything, all of that.
What about your upcoming projects? Matlab, we all knew the Maya is also there. So what's the Maya?
Twisted.
Naya season they Twisted also. उसका नया सीजन देख पाएंगे. When can you see you on big screen? Is there any news that you want to share with us?
I have no idea about that, but Twisted 3 I'm really waiting for. I wish Vikram sir is listening somewhere. He's busy with his movies, and we couldn't do it one movie together because again I was busy with my show. But I look forward to doing good projects in future for sure. And tonight is about being stylish, so I will talk about being stylish.
Neha ma'am, lot of going controversy against you regarding Kiss thing in Holi regarding
The kiss?
that lot of people talking about Holi.
You call it controversy? Did you see that video? I am sorry, guys. There is something called blowing it out of proportions, and that's what you did. But again, I would just like to thank you all for giving us free publicity, because I haven't hired a PR for myself, and I just believe that you guys have done me numbers, and thank you. Kudos to you guys for doing that.
Ma'am, your show on YouTube is doing very well. People love your character as Ishan Mark. People loving you so much.
Okay, later on.
योर फेवरेट स्टाइलिश आइकॉन
हाँ.
जिसे आप फॉलो करते हैं
Right.
बचपन से.
बचपन से इंस्पायर्ड है
I think Priyanka Chopra is someone who's carrying it and killing it everywhere big time, and I feel she goes one notch up every time she dresses up. Sonam Kapoor kills her all the time on all the red carpets, and down west I think everybody, you know, from Gigi Hadid to these Kendall Jenner, and you know there's something to look forward to, and you know what do they do, and so there is so much to learn from them.
One quality that is required to be stylish. What is that one quality? Is it confidence? Is it sense? What do you want to say about it?
I think even if you don't have a dressing sense, being confident about it really makes a lot of difference, you know. So whatever you're wearing, you need to be confident enough. Like once I get ready, there'll be 5,000 people who will tell me 5,000 different things. And this is not looking right, this is not looking right, this is not going. But if you've liked it, just go for it, you know. Don't overdo it, but yes, I think just it's about, I don't know, I could be called the worst dressed tonight, but I am very happy with what I'm wearing. So that's it.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
जो सबसे पहले हम मेरा ब्यूटीफुल आउटफिट के बारे में बताइए, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है और जो भी है आप बताइए।
I'm wearing Nicole and Felicia Couture, so they're designers from the Philippines. और इस season का I think theme is razzmatazz, which is dramatic, showy. So I think this is one of the most dramatic dresses I could have probably found. And my stylist Megan is the one who found it. So yeah.
So, what's the definition of style for you?
For me, style is something that we all have within us, and it's basically a way of showing our personality.
And 2019 में भी आप कुछ काम किए हैं upcoming project?
So I think Mental Hai Kya will release first, and I think they're looking at a May-June release, and then we've got Made in China also, Prasthanam and Koi Jaane Na.
So how did you find the experience working with Kangana and Rajkumar?
So Kangana ma'am is one of my favorite actresses. I love her. She was only nice to me on set, and I had a great time shooting with her. And with Raj, now we're doing 2 films together, so it's just, he's too much fun, he's really funny, and even he is a fantastic actor.
क्योंकि हमारा जी आप एक हैं जो कहती हैं कि कंगना आपकी है,
Yeah.
लेकिन कुछ एक हमारे इंडस्ट्री में जो कहते हैं कि कंगना जी बहुत ही मूडी हैं।
वो उनके problem है. She was amazing with me.
शूटिंग के दौरान आपको लगा?
No, I think because वो हमारे producer जो है शैलेश, I think she's done a lot of films with him. He produced Tanu Weds Manu also. So you can see that, you know, that set basically is like home also for her. So I mean, she was just, I'll work with her anytime, any day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग।
स्टाइलिश शाम है, स्टाइलिश काफी लग रहे हो आप, काफी स्टाइलिश लग रहे हो आप।
पूछ रहे
आप हमें जरा आउटफिट के बारे में, ड्रेस के बारे में जरा बताइए।
ये एक सूट जो मैं पहन रहा हूँ और इस सूट का डिज़ाइनर है, हाँ जी, इस सूट का डिज़ाइनर है पॉल, जो सैविल रो करके एक बहुत मशहूर इंग्लैंड में डिज़ाइनर है, तो उनके लिए वो बनाते हैं, तो उन्होंने ये मेरे लिए बनाया है। सूट है नीला रंग का।
Who's your favorite style actor?
I actually think David Beckham is a fantastic trendsetter. So for me, he definitely is an icon.
It's been a while that we haven't seen you on screen. We haven't seen you on screen. So is there any good news that you want to share with us?
Yeah, good news is I'm doing 2 web series. I won't tell you which one and what, but I'm going to start shooting in a week. So you will see me on a different screen, but on a screen for sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Paul Jeter is the name of the designer. He designs for Savile Row. So this is him. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, sorry, मैंने आपको वेट So sorry, I kept you waiting.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
बहुत ही स्टाइलिश शाम है, तो थोड़ा आपके आउटफिट, स्टाइलिश आउटफिट के बारे में जानना चाहिए। सवाल यहाँ वहाँ से आ सकते हैं।
Of course, HT Style Awards है, मुझे पिछले से पिछले साल मिला था, so very honored to be here every time. Nice to have an association with HT always.
Of course, style की रात है तो I'm wearing Studio Rigu, styled by my one and only Devki forever. And yeah, that's it. Kept it simple.
Who's your style icon?
Rekha ji is my style icon forever. I think style has got to do a lot. I mean, it's a lot to do with the way you carry things, no matter what you wear. And I think she could just wear a plain cotton thing and look like the most stylish diva ever.
God, it's been a while that we haven't seen you on screen. So any good news that you want to share with us?
Well, I just had Side Hero, which was on Eros Now. There are 2 projects in the pipeline. I can't talk about it. All shot and ready for release.
Films or web series?
Not films, web content.
You want to tell us what you're wearing tonight?
I'm wearing Studio Rigu.
Studio Re?
Rigu. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
आउटफिट के बारे में बताएं और झुमके के साथ
नखरे वाली नीता लुला यस
कंफर्टेबल है आपके लिए
आई थिंक नीता के साथ मैं बहुत कोलैबोरेट करती हूँ क्योंकि उन्हें मालूम है व्हाट मेक्स मी कंफर्टेबल एंड आई लाइक हर सेंस ऑफ ड्रेसिंग एंड इट्स लाइक अ म्यूचुअल काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग तो बहुत ज़्यादा उनका आई लाइक टू वेयर हर क्लोथ्स एंड नखरे वाली को मैंने अभी जानना शुरू किया और खुद हैंडमेड चीज़ें बनाती हैं और बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे सो यस गुड इवनिंग
So ये बताइए who's your style icon? मतलब बचपन से who's the one person that आप हमेशा देखते थे as a style most stylish?